In this video, we will walk you through the process to using Order Report Agent. This primary goal is providing users with expert-level data statistical analysis reports, involving basic statistical reports, summary statistical reports, and data anomaly analysis based on the above reports. The main date and end date parameters are optional. You can directly initiate a conversation with the chatbot. Input the specified dates for report generation. For example, enter the 1st of January 2024, the 2nd of January 2024. It will feedback the report and analysis based on the time range. Basic statistical report displays the daily order data. Summary statistical report summarizes out the results of each item. Anomaly analysis records the data increases or decreases by 50% from one day to the next. Continue interacting with the chatbot if need. Take an example, enter another 2 days to regenerate the report. Added 2-day data to the original report and generate a new statistical report. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Order Report Agent.